Alec Miles here with eXp Realty, your smart Alec Realtor going the extra miles. And I am pleased to present to you today 576 Lambton in Old North London. This home has been top to bottom renovated. No detail has been overlooked. Only the most premium quality products have been used in this home, and you guys are really going to enjoy this. Whether you're looking for that space for you and your wife, or you're looking to do some more entertaining, this home is the place for you. You guys have got to check this out. Okay guys, welcome to this beautiful main floor. Now you really need to come and see, feel, and touch the luxury and upgrades that we noticed in this main floor. We've got a beautiful island here, not to mention our Brahms custom cabinetry. Check that out all the way throughout. Now there's a couple more features that I want to show you guys. If we look right over here, we're going to go to our formal living room area with our custom-made Valor fireplace. Now these things are beautiful for your cold winter nights, not to mention our updates with our beautiful, beautiful wallpaper. Now there's one more feature that I want to show you guys that is sure to impress. Now as we walk through this main floor, we've got access to the backyard. Come check out this deck. That beautiful piece of paradise overlooking Old North. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that part of the home. As we work our way through to the lower level, don't forget to notice these beautiful oiled hickory hardwood floors as we go downstairs, and check out these features that are coming up. All right guys, this beautiful lower level features marble floors throughout the basement. They're also heated. We've got a fantastic entertainment area. We've got a bar over here, perfect again for entertaining. And one of the special features about this home is, again, we've got the master bedroom on the lower level. Come check this out.